Welcome sa YouTube channel PhilSports Plus TV sa AFC FIFA World Cup Qualifiers 2027. Ang koponan ng Pilipinas ay tinalo ng koponan ng Vietnam sa score na 3-2 at dito natanggal ang koponan ng Pilipinas sa qualifying ito. Pero maganda naman ang ipinakita ng koponan ng Pilipinas. Panoorin po natin ang kanilang laban. Around 61 minutes mga kasports na unang umiskor ang koponan ng Pilipinas na kung saan napasigaw sa tuwa ang ating komentator.
He says, and look at this, Patrick Reichelt. Can he cut in? Reichelt! 1-0 to the Philippines!
Panoorin natin ang magandang highlights na umiskor ang Pilipinas laban Vietnam.
Of Patrick Reichelt, really cheeky finish, great control, and just frolicking this iteration.
Around 64 minutes ay maagang nakabawi agad ang koponan ng Vietnam upang maitabla ang score ng 1-1.
Neil Etheridge slips and falls, and we have our equalizer. And Neil got wrong-footed here. There's a lack of communication, really. They were waiting for the offside flag.
Then around 75 and 55 minutes ay umiskor na naman ulit ang Vietnam ng 2-1 kontra Pilipinas.
Football in, the header, 2-1 Vietnam. And expressing the right but there are times itong laban na to that Ogilvik got beaten to the ball by Tien Lin, and he gets in between Tabinas and Ogilvik.
Then around 88 and 35 minutes ay naitabla ng Pilipinas ang score na 2-2 laban sa Vietnam.
2-2! 89th minute! Philippines needs to restart quick though. Kick for the Philippines. It's dangerous. Great header from Nihong and the technique from Ingreso. It was difficult to keep that one down, but that was precise. Top corner.
Sa panghuling minuto ay naihabol pa ng Vietnam na maidagdag pa ng isang goal para maipanalo ng Vietnam ang kanilang laro laban sa Pilipinas na score 3-2. Maraming salamat mga kasports sa inyong panonood.